y'all. Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 69. Have I got a tasty, sweet, chewy treat for you? Indian spiced roasted chickpeas. Let me show you how they look. Oh, they're so yummy and delicious. Kids love these. Yes. I just love Indian food. I love their spices. So the ingredients start with, I use 3 cans of garbanzo beans, chickpeas. You want to drain and rinse these. Then you want to take a bowl and put in 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice that gives it that pop, 1/4 olive oil, cinnamon, yes, and a little cayenne pepper for a little heat. Salt and pepper to taste. Okay, it's according to your taste. And here's the Indian spice you got to have. Cardamom powder and coriander and cumin. Oh, and you can pick these up from any local Indian store. You want to mix all of that in a bowl. You want to get a baking sheet. You want to put your oven on 400 degrees. Put a little olive oil on there. And place these babies on there and let them roast for about 25 minutes until they're nice and brown and shrunk down a little bit. Oh, it's so delicious and chewy. Yes. I even did raw nuts. The same recipe. And they are so delicious. And you know, ain't nothing like a good nut, right? But kids love these. Now, Mom, after you've been sweating in the kitchen all day to satisfy the children, have yourself a glass of Love that 6'9" wine, girl. Yes. If you would like any of our products, go to sunmoonproducts.com where you can pick up you some of our sneebies. Love that barbecue spice too, y'all. Try something different. Play with your recipes. Enjoy.